Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet Pro MFP M28w printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Laserjet Pro M28w printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of HP printer. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit or Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update depending on your bit. If 32-bit, then 32-bit. If 64-bit, then 64-bit and click on the update. After that, this page goes to refresh or this box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find many options. Go to this driver product installation software. If it's not expand, then expand it. Go to the basic drivers or this full software. Okay, I go to the full software and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another official HP website, and at the top we find our download is started, and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on our internet speed. So be patient and wait for few minutes or seconds. Our download is almost completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file. First, I unzip this setup file. That is very easy and simple. This setup file is actually a zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK. Now it is extracting our setup file to our PC or laptop, and it takes few seconds. And after that, our files are totally extracted or unzipped on our PC or laptop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Unzip process is done. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers. Close it. And we are going to install it. There are two ways to install it. First way is double click on it and go to the next. And if you want to Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi. And if you want to USB, then USB. Okay. But I go to the second way. Second way is very reliable. We are going to install it manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. I center it. Okay, I center it. Here we find add a printer or scanner at the top. Add a printer or scanner. Click on that and wait for a few seconds. And new options are pop up in a few seconds. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer, HP printer device, then select that port. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port and click on the next. If you want to have disk, click on have disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop, click on the desktop. Here we find folder, double click on this folder, double click on it. Here we find some files, Atron to here. Select any file that you want. I select Atron. All file contains same printer driver. Select that and click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find two options. Here we find PCLMS and PCLM and then yes, okay. Select anyone. I select this first. It is include our printer M28w also. It is a series printer. Select that and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Laserjet MFP M28w. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for few seconds to properly install this printer on our PC or laptop. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Laserjet MFP M28w, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.